My oldest daughter, she lied to CPS because she didn't want any rules or any authority in the household. She went to school and she told the school that I was a battered woman.
Alice in North Carolina. Alice, did you have a story to tell or a question to ask?
Oh, I have a story to tell you.
Go ahead.
Okay, first of all, I would like to say hello. My story had begun 21 years ago. My oldest daughter, she lied to CPS because she didn't want any rules or any authority in the household. She went to school and she told the school that I was a battered woman. So the caseworker went to the school and questioned my daughters. I have 5 children, by the way. Mm-hmm. Questioned my daughters without me being present. That day, I signed my life away.
What do you mean?
The caseworker came to the house, mm-hmm. and I found out my father passed away. So she turns around, she says, "Sign this paper, or I'm taking your children away." So I signed, but we used to say that I didn't know I was signing my life away. From there, it became spiral. I mean, totally, it just spiraled down. It was 6.5 years in court. 5 judges and multiple caseworkers upon caseworkers and 2 appointed attorneys. What happened was I found out that the person that adopted my daughter and molested my other daughter, my 10-year-old at the time, he was a president of the New Jersey Society of CPA.
What?
And oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hold on. I didn't understand what you said. He's the president of what society?
New Jersey Society of CPA.
CPA.
For CASA.
So
for CASA.
Okay, so he belonged to CASA. Okay, go ahead.
He belonged to. He was the state treasury for CASA, the court-appointed special advocate.
Right.
Representing foster children.
Yes.
Okay. Well, he's the one that molested my daughter, my 10-year-old at the time, until she was 16 years old.
How old is your daughter?
And she's 30-some years old now.
Oh, okay.
That's another thing, that when she tried to press charges against him for sexual assault, because New Jersey has no limitation on charges. So she went to contact an attorney there, and he wouldn't even touch it. He's like, "Oh, I know that person," you know? So, yes, the system is totally corrupt. I mean, totally corrupt. I had my children's physician on the stand, for his testimony, and also to my doctor. They kicked it out. They even turned around and said that my father didn't die, and that he was supposed to talk to the caseworker and was supposed to say he didn't want nothing to do. So I jumped up in the courtroom, and I'm like, "How could you talk to my father when he's dead?" like, how did you do that? Did you have a seance or what? And I was almost held in attempted court. But I had to show, yes, I had to show proof that my father was deceased, and they still kicked it out of court. I thought that my husband and I, he's my ex-husband now. My daughter, my 16. Go ahead, sir.
Were they adopted out with relatives or friends of yours or with strangers?
No, the guy that worked for Casa, he adopted her.
The one that was abusing her?
The one that was abusing my other daughter, her older sibling.
I see.
Because the older sibling, the one that I talked to, she has a disability at the time. And that's why he basically targeted her. And then he lied to her, saying, tell, somebody else did it, or, it was just, like I said, it was just a bunch of BS lies, lies after lies.
Have you done anything about this? Have you reported it to anyone?
No, I haven't.
1 minute.
You have not?
No.
Are you interested in pursuing this and maybe reporting it?
Yeah, I would love to.
I want you to take my phone number down, 888-888-6582. All right?
Just a minute, hon. What is it?
888-888-6582.